Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this cool cup in Blender very quick. But before we continue, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like this video. So add a cylinder, go to edit mode, select face selection and delete the bottom and the top faces. Now go to edge selection and select bottom edges, press E and enable it, and now press S to scale it down. Now go to face and select grid fill. Here change these two values to 4. Now go to the top edges, select them, make the same and extrude and scale it down. Extrude it down by Z axis and do the same, add grid fill and change here to 4. Now add here a loop cut and Ctrl B. Now select these edges and these edges and again Ctrl B. Now select these faces and these faces and delete them. Go to edge selection, select this one and this and extrude it by x-axis. Now select these two edges and these two edges. Go to edge and select bridge edge loops. Change cuts to about 5, and here you need to select blend surface. Do the same here, select these two edges and this, and you can simply go to edit and repeat last. Now holding Alt select these edges and unselect this and this one, and go to edge and bridge. Do the same here. So now you can add a subdivision surface modifier and shade smooth and add here supporting edges so it will have nice geometry. And our cup is ready. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like this video if it was useful for you. Thank you for watching.